I just ran out of testosterone. This has never happened to me before. What's up, TRT community? So we are actually right in the middle of packing to go to the beach. You see all of my stuff there getting ready to go, and this just happened to me. I knew that I was running low on testosterone, okay? You can tell, and so I saw that I've got a refill coming up soon. I have one refill, and it was going to be September the 3rd. Well, today is August 21st, and so a few days ago I could say, hey, I'm getting low and I want to make sure I've got enough to go on vacation with, so I called it in and it's all automated. And then when I went to the pharmacy to pick it up, they said,
oh, we're showing that you're early. Let me let you talk to the doctor.
And so then the doctor was like, yeah, listen, I'm sorry, are you almost out? And I was like, yeah, I am almost out. He said, well, since it's a controlled substance, you can only refill 3 days early. So he said, I'll go ahead and put it in for August 31st. But he said, I'm sorry, there's nothing I can do about it. And I was like, well, rules are rules, I guess. So this is what's going to happen. I just injected the very last of this just now. So what that's going to mean is I'm going to go about a week and a half with no testosterone in my system, no injection. And so I'm going to ask you guys, what should I expect? I've never had this happen to me before. I've never had a lapse ever. And no, I didn't inject too much, okay? I injected exactly what I was told to. But what happened was the doctor, he did the math just perfectly, not accounting for the little bit of waste that you have every time you inject. You have a little bit of waste, a few drops. Well, those drops add up. And so that's the dilemma I'm in. I want you to comment below. What am I supposed to expect that week and a half without any testosterone in my system? Because as you know, once you start injecting TRT, your body stops making it, even though we weren't making enough in the first place. But now my body's making zero on its own. What am I supposed to expect, guys, this week and a half without it? Am I going to be in like an emotional roller coaster? Let me know in the comments below, and then I'll probably make a video about what happened, if anything happened at all. If nothing happened at all, I probably won't make a video about it, but help me out, guys. Anyway, we're going to the beach. God bless. Peace.